Hey, what's up, everybody? Logan here. NFT Tiger is right back with another brand new platform. So, guys, if you missed Pepe and if you missed Shiba, so it's a perfect opportunity for you in 2025. That here is future Pepe for you, and you can generate better return in the future if you jumped in early. So, if you're new on my channel, please like and subscribe my channel and press the bell icon for upcoming videos notification. And let me clear that it's not a financial advice. So, do it with your only study this platform. Take your time, and if you think you can generate the best return by investing in future PEPE, so it's a perfect opportunity for you. You can see here a revenue source 20% of total supply. Next 0.5% is fee share, 30% of launchpad and signal revenue. Next 25% of unclaimed airdrop after 90 days. So the key thing that inspired me to introduce this platform, that is their liquidity is locked for 12 months. This means for 1 year. So next you can see here the details about that, and on the future with a dollar PEEP. Next, how many days left? Still 7 days, 8 hours something. So plenty of time left and a perfect opportunity. You can buy right now. And now I will show you how basically you can buy that. You can need to connect your wallet, and you can connect your MetaMask, you can connect your Trust wallet, so any sort of wallet. If you have, you can buy with USDT, you can buy with Cardano, you can buy with Ethereum, you can buy with BNB. So plenty of options are available for you, and you can easily jump in. So next you can see here the dual chain pools, and there are different types of innovation in this platform. That's why it makes special than the other platforms. So that's why I keep an eye on main feature that inspire me to introduce this platform. Next, you can see here stake on Ethereum BNB chain, reward paid on the same chain. So the reward will be delivered to you on same chain, so you keep in mind that. Next, you can see here frequently asked question. If you have any question and query in your mind, you can get the answer to a question at the same time by click on that. When does staking start? So just click on that. So staking goes live after 48 hours after the TG token generation event. So next you can see here what the expected return. So it's very important question. Our target APR is between 20% to 30% based on the platform and promise and the revenue distribution, because it's still early stage. And you can see here your purchase future Pepe will be delivered to you when the sales end, and after that we will see how much potential this platform has after all sales. Next, you can see here at the moment you can buy future Pepe with 0.0096. So I already told you that it's quite acceptable price at the moment, and it's a perfect opportunity for you to jump in right now, and you can buy that and you can generate the best return in the future when it will be listed on all major exchanges. So it can change your life. So you can see here. So next, roadmap. It's very important because roadmap will tell you the story, what they want to do in the future and what they are doing now. So all details are mentioned here, and you can study all the information, the history, each and everything is there. The tokenomics. Next, you can see here basically pre-sale is 25% and staking reward is 20%. I already told you all the detail about that. And if there is something missing, so please don't miss to join their community. When you join their community, you will be updated with upcoming news regarding this platform, and it will be quite amazing for you because lots of discussion will be going on. So it's quite amazing for you if you join their community. Next, become the Pepe affiliate program. So they're providing you affiliate program. If you send your friends and family, and they will invest via your referral link, so you can generate best return also. So it's quite amazing if you have a capability to generate best return via referral link. So you can send your friends and family, you can make a chain and you can generate best return. Okay, next you can see here more information. The links are mentioned here, and I already told you that it's very important to join the links, and you will be able to get more information regarding future PEPE. So here you can see the Tether. At the moment it's quite early stage. I already told you that it's quite early stage, and when it will be listed on major exchanges, so it can make a big difference. Okay, next you can see here the detail about FuturePepe on Twitter, but I'm not agree that it's pumped up. So nobody can say about that, but it's quite depends on our luck and its investment and its market cap. So let's see how much it can achieve in the future. Okay, next, all the details are given. I told you all the information. You can study the white paper, and it's very important because white paper is the backbone of any platform. So it's very important to study the white paper, and you can see here the detail about the white paper. You can see here all information, all details are given, so you can verify, you can study, and if you think it's quite amazing and perfect for you, so you can jump in early. And once again I'm repeating that you can buy with BNB, you can buy with Ethereum and USDT, Cardano, so all cryptocurrencies are accepted, and it will be delivered the same chain like a BNB. So this was the detail about FuturePepe, and if there is something missing, so please don't miss to join me in the comment section. I will be there always to provide all the detail, all the information. So we will meet our next video, guys. Till then, bye bye.